Jordan Brand is pushing ahead into spring 2026 with a newly surfaced Air Jordan 1 Mid dressed in a clean sail, Anthracite, Jade Aura, and Iced Jade palette. This upcoming release continues the AJ1's legacy of blending sport heritage with modern fashion appeal. The pastel accents, seen on the quarter panel, tongue, and heel area, bring a fresh seasonal vibe, while the gray and off-white overlays keep the sneaker versatile for everyday wear. Although not identical, the color blocking subtly echoes the unreleased J Balvin X Air Jordan 4, giving fans another reason to watch this drop closely. With its soft tones and classic Peter Moore design DNA, this AJ1 Mid is expected to attract both collectors and casual Jordan fans. Look for this pair to launch by May 2026 on Nike.com. Jordan, adding another stylish option to the Air Jordan lineup.